the major product for the multi-step reaction below. So for these ones, just follow exactly the steps that Dr. J gives you and only provide the final product, not the intermediates. But just to show you how I did it, I'm going to provide the intermediates. So the first arrow it shows you is Br2 and heat, so that's delta signifies heat. When we add Br2 to an alkane, this is monobromination. It's a free radical process, and remember, bromine is selective for the most stable position. Here, the most stable position is a secondary position. Both of these are equally the same, equally possible, and produce the same product anyways, so we get bromine on the secondary as opposed to a primary. Then, the second step given was LDA. We know that LDA is a really huge base, or when we think huge bases, we think Hofmann product. So when we have a huge base, it's going to eliminate to form the less highly substituted product. So here we could have eliminated from this side or this side, but we're going to eliminate from the terminal side because it's going to produce our Hofmann product. Just because it's harder for, since LDA is a big base, it's harder for it to get in there and eliminate. So now we've got our Hofmann product. And then the next step was HBr and peroxide. The special thing about HBr and peroxide is that it adds bromine to the anti-Markovnikov position. So it's going to add it to the terminal side. And remember, you can't do this with chlorine, it's just for HBr. And if we wanted to add it on the Markovnikov position, we would just use regular HBr. So, from chapter 6. Okay, and then the last step, it gives you, it says on here, it gives you CH3, CO2 minus, Na plus. So I just drew it out. And this is a strong nucleophile. Because moderately strong, we're just going to say strong because it's got a negative charge. It's pretty strong, although there is some resonance going on in there to stabilize it, it's still pretty strong. So what's going to happen is an SN2 reaction with this alkyl halide that we've made. So this is going to attack and displace bromine, and you're going to get this ester product.